And then finally, we have the most important step, which is the opportunity grading and the validation. So my consultants will have identified dozens of different opportunities, but business is all about prioritization of resources, right? Like there's always a million opportunities of things you can do, but some opportunities are inherently more valuable than others, and some are also more difficult to build in order to realize that value. So we can plot these opportunities on what we call the opportunity matrix, and then through careful process of elimination, we can start to trim down to the right mix of what we call quick wins to get a return on their investment as soon as possible once we get into development, but also looking at, hey, what are the big swings for us here that will ultimately become a major advantage for us in the market versus their competitors, but often require some prerequisite steps or just generally much more investment and development in order to see through. So you've got the quick wins and then the big swings, and so it's a case of trimming down until you get a nice mix of both. But another key part of the process here is that we're not just doing this in a lab on our own in isolation and then present the final result. We go back into the business and we run multiple validation interviews with both employees and the leadership. And this is so important, because when you go back to the employees, they validate that, yes, this is really a painful problem. Can you please solve this? But the leadership validates that solving this problem aligns with the company's strategic goals. And you absolutely have to have both.